Hello, welcome to Taste Louisiana. I am trying their caramel fudge blizzard from Dairy Queen. So let's give this a try. Oh, this is cheesecake. That's right. Caramel fudge cheesecake blizzard. That's what it's called. Because here's the cheesecake. Then it has like these fudge pieces in here. You can see it. I can't see it very good, but anyway. And there's little bits of caramel. Overall, it's really good. I would definitely recommend it. So it's the caramel fudge cheesecake blizzard from Dairy Queen. I would definitely recommend it. That's all I have for you today. Bye.